Hi, I'm David Wilton from TPAS Cymru, and today I'm in London at the big Homes UK exhibition and conference. Why am I here? The reality is that this conference is, although it's got a UK title in it, it's very England focused. Most of the speakers are looking at, there's the English Housing Minister, there's looking at the English social white paper and things like this. The reason I'm here really is there's some really interesting exhibitors. BT Passive, who are I think a partner of Trevi Conwy and do stuff around Wales. They've got some interesting stuff around retrofit. There's Mia's have got a stage. I've got some interesting talks about damp and mould and things like this. ACO as well are here, and I'm keen to catch up with them. So I'm here to look for ideas that we can bring back to Wales and bring into our programme of events next year. So follow our social media today for updates on how I get on.